A review of MidJourney. When it comes to AI art generators, few names have made as much noise in the creative world as MidJourney. Launched as a Discord-based image generation tool, MidJourney has rapidly evolved from a cool experiment into a serious platform for artists, designers, marketers, and anyone curious about AI-generated visuals. In today's video, we're diving deep into a full review of MidJourney, what it does, how it works, what makes it different, and whether it's still worth using in 2025. MidJourney is a text-to-image AI tool that turns written prompts into beautifully rendered images, all within a Discord server. At first, that setup might sound unusual. Most AI tools today have dedicated websites or apps. But once you get the hang of using Discord, MidJourney becomes surprisingly intuitive and collaborative. You enter a prompt like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, and within seconds, MidJourney responds with 4 highly detailed images. From there, you can upscale any version you like or ask the AI to generate variations. The process feels interactive and a bit magical, and it's no wonder artists have flocked to it. One of the key strengths of MidJourney is its aesthetic bias. Unlike some AI art generators that aim to be neutral or overly realistic, MidJourney leans towards stylization. The images often have a dreamlike, painterly quality, which makes them perfect for mood boards, concept art, thumbnails, album covers, and more. Whether you're building a fantasy world, designing characters, or crafting surreal visual stories, MidJourney delivers results that often exceed expectations. And with the recent updates in version 6, the image quality has reached a whole new level of clarity and coherence, especially when generating faces, hands, and realistic textures. Another major plus is prompt control. With MidJourney, you can fine-tune your results using parameters like aspect ratio, stylization strength, chaos level, and seed numbers. While beginners can get by with simple prompts, advanced users can unlock even more creative power by learning the intricacies of the prompt system. Compared to tools like Dall-E or Adobe Firefly, MidJourney gives users much more influence over the final image, which is a huge win for those who want specific artistic results. However, MidJourney is not without its challenges. First, there's the Discord-only interface. While some users enjoy the community aspect of sharing prompts and results in real time, others find it overwhelming or unnecessarily complicated. There's also a learning curve with understanding how to use bot commands and settings effectively. It would be great if MidJourney offered a more beginner-friendly web interface in the future. Then there's the issue of pricing. MidJourney is not a free tool. To access the generator, you need a paid subscription, starting at around $10 a month. Higher tier plans offer more fast hours, private generations, and other perks, but for occasional users, the cost might feel high. That said, considering the quality of the output and the creative possibilities, many users feel it's absolutely worth the investment, especially when compared to the time and skill needed to create similar artwork manually. One more thing to mention is ethical use. As with any AI art tool, there are ongoing debates about copyright, data training, and the role of human artists. MidJourney has made efforts to improve transparency and give users some usage rights, but it's still a developing space. If you plan to use the images commercially, make sure you're aware of the license terms and consider how the tool fits into your workflow responsibly. So, is MidJourney still the best AI art tool in 2025? That depends on what you're looking for. If you want realism or corporate-style illustrations, there might be better options. But if you're after style, storytelling, creativity, and sheer visual impact, MidJourney is in a league of its own. It's ideal for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram content, concept art, creative storytelling, and even NFTs. The speed, flexibility, and quality make it a top choice for digital creatives who want to blend technology and imagination. In conclusion, MidJourney continues to impress with its stunning visuals, prompt flexibility, and artistic output. It's not perfect, but it's one of the most inspiring tools in the AI space right now. If you haven't tried it yet, and you're even a little curious about AI and art, it's worth jumping in and exploring. Who knows? Your next masterpiece might just begin with a single prompt. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future reviews, tutorials, and deep dives into the world of AI tools. Got questions about MidJourney or want us to compare it with other platforms? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and help you get the most out of your creative journey. Thanks for watching and keep creating.